Welcome back to techegadget, the channel where we bring you honest, in-depth reviews of the latest tech and gear that elevates your lifestyle. Whether it's smart home gadgets, outdoor living upgrades, or audio-video solutions, we've got you covered. In today's video, we're diving into a full hands-on review of the EROMMY 14 feet wide by 24 feet deep Pro Series aluminum patio gazebo. This premium hardtop gazebo is making waves for its size, durability, and versatility. If you've been thinking about upgrading your backyard or garden space, you'll definitely want to watch this full review. Let's begin with what you see right out of the box. The EROMMY 14 by 24 Pro Series gazebo is massive. It commands attention with its bold frame and rich wood look finish, which gives it a natural, elegant appeal that blends beautifully into most outdoor settings. With an overall footprint of 14 feet wide by 24 feet deep, you're getting an expansive area perfect for hosting events, placing furniture, or creating a cozy outdoor retreat. Its sheer size makes it stand out immediately, but it's the engineering and materials that make it more than just an oversized canopy. Now, let's talk construction. The gazebo features a galvanized steel roof, which is fade-resistant, rust-resistant, and strong enough to withstand heavy snow loads and gusty winds. The panels are tightly interlocked and precision-cut, offering full protection from UV rays and bright sunlight. Unlike fabric tops that wear down over time, this hardtop roof ensures long-term durability. It's also designed to keep your space cooler by reflecting heat and providing solid shade. What makes this structure unique is the double roof design. Not only does it enhance the aesthetic, but it also aids in ventilation and helps reduce wind resistance by allowing airflow between the two roof layers. The aluminum posts are one of the key highlights. Coated with a wood grain powder finish, they look just like real wood but come with the strength and reliability of high-grade aluminum. This gives you the best of both worlds, rustic charm and modern resilience. Unlike actual wood, these posts won't crack, rot, or warp over time. They're also immune to rust, which makes them a better long-term investment than traditional steel or iron frames. The triangular frame design adds structural integrity and makes this gazebo feel solid and stable even under challenging conditions. With the gazebo, you get all the essential mounting and anchoring materials included in the package. It comes complete with side curtains and mesh netting, allowing you to enjoy an enclosed experience while keeping bugs and harsh sunlight at bay. The side panels slide smoothly thanks to a double-track system. This allows for effortless transitions between open, semi-enclosed, or fully enclosed setups. For convenience, each post is equipped with 3 binding belts, making it easy to bundle curtains and nets when not in use. You also get integrated U&J hooks in the ceiling area, so you can hang lighting, ceiling fans, or decorations with ease. One thing to note is that this gazebo doesn't come with any foundation materials. That means you'll need to plan ahead for a base. Whether you're installing it on grass, a concrete slab, or a wooden deck, you'll need to ensure the foundation is level and ready before setting up. While this might seem like a small omission, it's an important consideration for a gazebo of this size. Prepping your surface area properly can make installation smoother and ensure long-term stability. Now let's talk about the assembly process. This is a large structure, and that means setup will require time, tools, and help. It's not a solo job. The manufacturer provides instructions, and while they are fairly straightforward, there are a lot of parts to manage. From the frame to the roof panels and curtain tracks, it's essential to follow each step carefully. We recommend laying out and labeling every part before starting. Having a friend or two will make a big difference here. Patience is key. With preparation and teamwork, most users can expect to complete assembly within a day or two, depending on your pace. One of the standout features is the double-top ventilation design. This setup promotes airflow while keeping water and debris out. It's especially beneficial during summer when heat can build up under standard gazebos. The airflow here reduces stuffiness and keeps things comfortable. During winter, the sloped roof and integrated drainage system let water and snow flow down to the poles and into the ground. This helps minimize pooling, reduces weight buildup, and protects the structure from stress damage. It's clear the design was built with year-round performance in mind. Once set up, this gazebo becomes more than just a shade structure. It turns into a full-fledged outdoor room. You can use it for dining, lounging, hosting, or even setting up a garden workstation. The side netting provides great bug protection, while the thick curtains offer privacy and shelter from light rain or wind. There's also something luxurious about sitting under a hardtop roof and hearing rain gently hit the steel panels while staying perfectly dry underneath. The included hooks also allow you to customize the environment with soft lighting or portable fans, enhancing usability in any season. Let's take a look at some actual user feedback. One user mentioned they were pleased with the final product. The structure looked great and instructions were fairly simple to follow. However, they had issues with a bent panel and found customer service to be slow and frustrating. The takeaway here is to inspect every part as soon as you unpack the boxes. Another buyer noted that the screen that came with the gazebo tore after some time and needed replacement. This points to the fact that while the frame and roof are built to last, the netting may need periodic maintenance or upgrades. Over time, structures like this can really show their value. The wood look finish holds up remarkably well to the elements and doesn't peel or fade easily. The aluminum frame remains sturdy even after seasonal exposure, and the steel panels don't dent or degrade under pressure. You may find that adding LED lights, furniture, or heaters can truly elevate this into an all-weather outdoor extension of your home. It's important to perform seasonal checks, tighten bolts, clean tracks, and store the curtains during winter to maximize its lifespan. This gazebo is ideal for homeowners with large patios, backyards, or garden spaces who are looking for a stylish and functional outdoor structure. It's great for entertainers, families who enjoy dining outdoors, or anyone looking to create a relaxing open-air space. Its weatherproof construction makes it suitable for year-round use in a variety of climates. However, the size and assembly complexity might not make it ideal for renters or users with limited yard space. If you want maximum comfort, style, and long-term value, this model checks nearly all the boxes. In conclusion, the EROMMY 14 feet wide by 24 feet deep Pro Series aluminum patio gazebo offers a premium experience for outdoor living. It combines stunning aesthetics with practical features and sturdy construction. While it does require a solid foundation and some effort to assemble, the end result is well worth it. From its UV-resistant steel roof and ventilated design to the included curtains, netting, and accessory hooks, it delivers on both form and function. There are some minor drawbacks like screen durability and the need to double-check parts, but overall, it stands out as one of the most reliable and attractive gazebos in its class. Thanks for watching this full review here on Tech eGadget. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more deep dive reviews on outdoor gear, smart tech, and home electronics. Got any questions about the EROMMY Pro Series gazebo or want to share your own experience with it? Drop a comment below. We love hearing from our viewers and always try to respond. Until next time, keep upgrading your life with smart choices and stay tuned for more content from Tech eGadget.